So what she ended up learning, here we go. Good girl. As you're saying hi to you guys this evening.
Carol, she's right there. Hi.
Hi.
We are here at SeaWorld San Antonio for their Passholder preview event. It's for their Summer Spectacular event. So here we're just gonna see a sea lion show, see their new parade, see their splash show that Carol's never seen. She's excited for that, aren't you? And then ended off with their very longly named hydro-powered Extreme FX show. So let's go on. Let's go along and see how this goes.
Nice glasses.
Not as nice as your mom's glasses.
It's a little bit complimentary, but we'll work on it.
This is new, Spanky's Sandbar right behind Spanky's. Wings and more. So it's a nice little setup for cocktails and draft beer. So what'd you get here?
It's called the iguana. He said
Oh.
rum, pineapple, and he said some other stuff.
We just did a little presentation at the Sea Lion Theater. It was great. They just brought out some animals, explained kind of how they came to SeaWorld San Antonio, why they can't be released back in the wild. Most of them are just like got too used to humans, so that's why they got rescued. But it was fun, very informative, and just nice to see some of your animals and kind of tell us more about them. But now we're gonna see the Rhythm Motion Ocean Parade. Also, we ran into Chris again. Hi, Chris.
Hey guys. I'm like cockroaches. I just come out when the daylight goes down and scurry about. I'm always here.
So we talked about it, but we never really recorded ourselves talking about it. But the new parade is a nice replacement for the Sesame Street parade. You know, sad to see it go, but it is nice to have some newer design floats, something more themed around SeaWorld. And I think they did a really great job. All the performers, all the dancing, and just the floats look great. And I believe this is going on every night. I think it's 7:30, unless the park is closing a little bit early, then it might be like 6:30 or something like that. Ah, I was right. They did move them right over here. Right across from Atlantis.
of tunes with absolutely nothing in common except we're playing them all. Yeah! Wish us luck and get ready to dance!
Carol,
Yeah,
how'd you like it?
that was great. Loved all the acrobatic stuff.
They did have a few things from last year, the acrobatic swing. Like last year was just the girl, it wasn't the duo. So I was super impressed by that, and also afraid that she was gonna fall.
Oh my gosh, I know, especially when she was fully relying on him to like keep her up.
Yeah.
He was just, like bracing.
Like
for it.
even we've seen something similar during Halloween Horror Nights, and they were like locked in. So I was surprised that she had nothing but him to hold on to. Definitely a great show. Can't remember if it's going on. Yeah, super entertaining. Can't remember if it's going on every night, but definitely worth checking out. But now we're gonna go to the very long worded show. Like, are they rerunning it at some point, or are they doing it twice a night? It was only listed at one time tonight, so we will see during the summer, I guess.
You kids don't try this at home. Triple lose their guitar, because this show's ready to rock! Yeah, 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 yeah! Give it to them one more time, boys! Riding and riding up out of the water. Choose candy for you. Pull the money in your back pocket.
What do you think of the hydro-powered Extreme FXO?
It was great. It's great every year.
Yeah, it's about the same every year, but it's also really good every year.
Yeah, it's also really good.
It's stayed the same.
Yeah.
If you've seen it the past years, you've seen it what's this year, but it's also been a year since you've seen it. So,
I know.
so
You forgot a few things.
you should come out and see it.
Yeah.
It's a fun show. It's nice to catch it at least once a year. Songs are great, the band is great, the fireworks are great, everything is great.
I love the guy on not the jet ski, he's like shooting, he's like in the sky doing flips on that water thing that I don't know what it's called. That part, I'm always a huge fan of. I never get sick of it.
It does look like they're testing out some of the aqua glow lights back there. Oh man. Fix this. Nope, wrong way. There we go. But we had a fun time. The summer spectacular, very fun, great shows. I was very impressed by Splash, even though I've seen it last year. And then the new parade, love the new floats. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hydrate.
Go to bed at a decent hour.
Go to bed, not like us, although.
Well, no, just like me.
Just like
not
Carol.
like you.
No, I go to bed at like midnight. Thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video. And until next time, we'll see y'all. Bye.